This song is dedicated to all those struggling in physics class. Me, Brian, and Kevin, we decided to make this rhyme for you to help you learn some of the more important laws of physics. But mainly, this one's for you, Mr. Whitner. It was all Newton's dream. He used to read science magazine. Finally, he came up with his own scheme. Research discovered how motion works. Learning all his laws has its own perks. Objects stay in motion unless there's a force. One could argue Newton's brain is the source. This can be demonstrated with the rolling ball. Notice the constant motion till it hits the wall. You know my main genius, Isaac. Screw up his law and you'll get a kick. An example of outside force is friction. This may seem strange, but it's not fiction. External forces are always for the blame. Remember this and trust me, there will be no shame. Cars know how to use this by applying brakes. Discovering this law prevented so many aches. Just make sure you know that this is one of three. Hopefully from this rhyme you'll remember me. Learn the other two and Miss Witness biblically.
You know very well what they are. Let gravity hold you down. Read for the laws. He has some laws, but not that many. He gives you three, which is plan A. Yep.
Made a change in the common thought. Rewrote the physics books he had already bought. He was far from cheap. Did love with his buddies all day. Spread love the Newton way. For every action you get the satisfaction of an equal and opposite reaction. He never thought it could happen, these laws and stuff. He was too busy doing laws and stuff. It's like a gunshot out of the blue. Watch out before it comes back at you.
That's right.
When you fire the shot, it's a thrill, just until it comes back in your grill.
Mr. Newton at a high level.
These Newton's third laws without fear. It explains the laws of physics real clear.
Real clear.
Which are, when I push against the wall, it makes sure that I do not fall. Yeah. And if you don't know, now you know the Newtons.
You know very well what they are. Let gravity hold you down. Read for the laws. He has some laws, but not that many. He gives you three, which is plan A. Yep.
The second law is dual force and mass with this. You can even add acceleration into this abyss. The simple formula F equals ma is an abbreviation. That stands for force mass acceleration. This car with 2 tons flat needs more force than a stroller with a cat. Now we're gonna see if we can push this marquee. Looking back on that test, the car had too much mass. We really need a lot of force, of course, to push that car around that course. Pushing that stroller or cart, whatever that was much easier to start. Less mass is surely a win, as it takes less force to begin. This is the basis of Newton's final law. Now we're gonna leave you with one more example that'll leave you in awe. We're bringing in Camo for this example. Hopefully we can get enough force to push him off his course. It's gonna take more force than we thought, as we figured out Kevin weighs a lot. This is Newton's final laws. Now hopefully you'll have enough to leave you with no flaws.
You know very well what they are. Let gravity hold you down. Read for the laws. He has some laws, but not that many. He gives you three, which is plan A.
Go. And that's a wrap.